my island in the sun, no. My island home, my island home. Let me tell you about where I'm from, my island in the sun, no.
You are going to love this episode because you will see the amazing beauty of the world-famous BVI baths, sandy beaches, and perhaps my most embarrassing moment yet.
Highlight reel.
Enough already.
Now we're leaving Privateer Bay on Peter Island, and we're headed off to Valley Trunk Bay, which is on Virgin Gorda, so we can take Tara and Ben to the baths. Not as erotic as it sounds, but wait till you see the video on that. It's rock formations that look like the Seychelles Islands. So the wind today is too close hauled for a catamaran at about 12 to 14 knots. So I don't know if it's going to be good sailing. Here's hoping.
You can't be replaced. While I can, I thank you for all you do. And all my love and all I have, I'll give for you. And I will make sure that no one hurts you and keep you comfort.
Puerto Rico, van overboard.
Valley Trunk Bay may be one of our favorite anchorages in the Caribbean, but you have to pay attention where you drop your hook because there's a lot of hard rock and coral heads.
I love how Tara and Ben have figured out what the tradition is. Before I'm even out of the water, they have the tequila and the shots ready. Woohoo! We're fast learners. You sold me? Thank you. Perfect. Cheers to a good anchorage. Cheers.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers.
That's where to celebrate a good anchorage. So we send up Batguy to survey the surroundings and give you some stellar views of the area. Enjoy!
Enjoy? You sound like a server at Olive Garden.
There's a full moon horizon on this frozen prairie sky. I'm looking for the answers between the truth and lies. How did we get here? How did we find this place? I'm looking back now. I can barely see your face. I still smell your perfume when the soft breeze blows.
Okay.
I like how the one wiped you guys out.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Reach for the sky, varmint. Okay, Rocket Ralph. This is all for you. As we crawl through here. But you really have to think about all the hundreds of thousands of tons of rock perched above you, begging to rest on the ground after centuries of hanging in the air. It literally could be today. Turns out no one wants to share a potential rock tomb with me. How odd.
But it is the beach and the seclusion that makes this place so amazing and keeps drawing us back. The sand looks and feels like brown sugar, and you sink up to your ankles.
Just like a young girl should. As we swim back to Monashee, you have to stop for a moment and appreciate the aquarium right below us. It just doesn't get old. So this dinner shout out goes out to our friend Roy, who watches every episode, ahem, and he talks about how we eat better on the boat than he probably does at home. Thank God his wife does not watch the videos or his postings. But here you go. Indian food, cheddar masala, dal, buttered chicken, rice. Woohoo!
Yay!
Cheers to everybody. Thank you very much. Oh, that's right. And the homemade
Cheers.
naan.
And the naan.
Can't forget that. All worked out well.
The sun sleeps quickly, and so do we, since it's a big day ahead at the baths.
There's a How much to doing
to the
five?
baths?
To the baths.
$5 one way, $10 round trip.
There you go, $5 one way, $10 round trip. Amazing how the cost works.
How you all doing?
We're doing great.
Enjoying the BVI?
Oh yeah.
Y'all been there before?
No.
What keep you all so long?
Work?
Okay.
I got a job.
And you have to gather the money.
Exactly. I'm not gonna go back to work to get more money.
She's not a morning person.
Yeah. Give her some time.
I'd more than make up for it.
Pay attention to the red flag alert. No boat mooring or swimming allowed.
Wow, like a giant sort of bumblebee. Or that's wild.
We see them, yeah.
Beautiful though.
Basically, to say whether or not you can leave the boat at the mooring there and just quit it. So yellow flag is caution. Red flag is no swimming at the beach and no mooring at the dinghy because of the swell and sea change.
And the fun part last time was there was a charterboat catamaran smashed upon the rocks because somebody brought it in, broke mooring. Too bad for them. Insurance now going to have an issue. This is the baths at Virgin Gorda, just outside of Spanish Town in BVI. And this is the place that we've left the last on the tour with Ben and Para. But all the other islands are very cool looking as well. This has the amazing anchorages you've seen already in the video. And when we get down to the rocks and the caves, this is the highlight.
Located on the island of Virgin Gorda, the baths,
short for batholithic rocks,
are comprised of massive, awe-inspiring boulders that form an amazing labyrinth meandering through sheltered sea pools along the shoreline. The baths were formed during the Tertiary period
2 to 65 million years ago,
by molten rock under immense pressure, seeping up underwater into existing volcanic rock layers. Unable to reach the surface, the hot molten rock slowly cooled underwater, forming a hard crystalline granite layer.
You guys want to know about those, eh? These? They're full of ants. That's their crawling time.
Nice.
All these, if you were to pick one open, then you'd see a whole bunch of ants walking through. We're not infected while we have water shoes on because we go into the water, but just walking.
All the way down there in the dark.
All the way down in the dark.
Big smile for the cameraman. Woo!
That's cool. That's really, really cool.
Further shrinkage and cracking formed enormous blocks, exposed when the softer volcanic rock was eroded away, leaving many boulders 40 feet in diameter. Then, over millions of years, chemical weathering and crashing waves rounded the sharp edges of these blocks, creating their unique boulder-like appearance. Ahem, mister!
I thought you might need some assistance with your camera.
Yeah, camera.
That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Nice picture, Ben.
Okay, Ben, what was your review of the Virgin Gorda baths so far?
Very nice, very impressive. And yes, it's not a gift for when it ships, but it's great to be here now while it doesn't.
And if there's an earthquake, what do we do? Run. Run as fast as you run. So if you went the other way that I did around the side, there are a bunch of baby goats in there.
Not baby goats. So this is the beach area at the baths, and out there you'll see a mooring line at the back, and that's where you can tie your dinghy up and then swim to shore. And then there's some mooring balls at the back, day moorings for catamarans. And it's just a beautiful, lovely, the sand feels so nice, and a great area for having a picnic or whatever you want to do, go for a swim.
Or grabbing a beverage and having some french fries.
Oh, there's back.
Oh look, a place to have a cold beverage. Surprise, surprise.
So Jimmy Buffett says it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Cheers.
So we're gonna go back.
Searching for my lost shaker of song.
Yep. Bravo! Super morning, eh? Howdy for them. Preston!
If you're buzzing about what you're beholding at the baths, bash the like and subscribe buttons below to help support our questionable life choices like the brilliant people Cheryl and Andy W, Kit J, Laura C, and Carly P.
And now off to the Rock Cafe.
Lunch.
Lunch. And maybe a painkiller.
Singular?
Plurality out.
Yes.
So as fast as our driver could safely go,
Safely?
we made our way back to the Rock Cafe.
And as Sean Connery said,
Welcome to the Rock.
my sister, where's my sister? You move it, yeah. Oh, that look good.
You're welcome. Very good.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Simone.
Simone Liam.
Hi, Liam. It's nice to meet you, Liam.
Pleasure to meet you. You're making the day better.
Anything for you guys.
Oh, you win. We come into the table, and magically painkillers appear. Cheers.
Cheers.
So do you have a review for The Rock? How you like the restaurant?
Excellent.
Worked?
Tonk chowder was amazing.
Really?
Powder
Yes.
painkillers are good.
I like the bang bang shrimp and the fritters. That was pretty good. That worked well for me.
Every damn weekend, the same old day shows up with the flower addressed to me.
But off to Monashee as we need to keep on trekking, as Ben and Tara leave tomorrow, so we need to get close to the airport and discovered Long Bay right next door. Hope it turns out okay.
Although a beautiful day, the wind speed is maybe about 8 to 10 knots behind us. So if we put up any sail, we might be going like 4 or 5 knots, which would then decrease the apparent wind speed even more. So right now, while we have 6 knots using the engine, we actually have a wind speed of 2.3 behind us. We don't raise the sail at least till it says 5 to 7 apparent wind. So we're just going to be looking pretty right now. So this is Long Bay on Beef Island, British Virgin Islands, and we're next to Trellis Bay, which is right at the airport. We wanted a little quieter bay, and holy cats, there's only one other boat here, as you can see, and it's truly beautiful. In 3.5 meters of sand, so maybe like 9 feet at best. And while others are predisposed, wow, that was a little too much predisposed. Well, others are predisposed to say, yay, congratulations to the Last Supper. It's never the Last Supper. It's just the final supper of this round.
Exactly.
So cheers to you guys. Thanks for coming aboard.
Cheers.
As we have our teriyaki mahi-mahi Caesar salad and stir fry.
Yay.
Cheers, yay!
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yay.
Okay, ladies. Well, we've been trying to fix a electrical problem with the anchor light. What have you been doing?
We've been drinking Big Black Dick.
And how have you enjoyed your Big Black Dick, Tara?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Is this the first time you've ever had Big Black Dick?
Yes.
And are you going to go back?
I would like to.
The gold, the oil, and the drugs in God we trust.
yeah, no, it's just yummy beyond belief. And can't imagine, yeah, not doing this all the time.
They took good rum and mixed it with chocolate.
I mean, how do you go wrong with that? And that's where we're going to stop this video, mister.
We'll just put it on our Patreon channel.
We do not have a Patreon channel,
This is our gift to humanity.
whether they want it or not. Thanks for sharing our journey and subscribing. And check out this next video as we believe Nicolas Cage would like it too.
I'm growing wiser cause I know I'm growing older.